Good afternoon, YouTube. It is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Dacula, Georgia today. It is 2:20. This is our second job of the day. The first job was a $330 job. This one is a $400 job. We've got 4 bedrooms upstairs, including a sitting room and a master closet. We're not counting this closet here because it's a nice small closet. And of course, when you're bidding jobs, you bid accordingly based on size and how long it would take you, etc., etc. The light switches. Well, we got a master closet here, which is easily the size of a room, so that's why this is going to count as an area. So we got the master, the sitting room, the closet. We got wood hallways. The carpets are in pretty good shape. The worst carpet's actually in the basement. However, you obviously can't tell with the camera, but it's got an odor issue. And actually you can kind of see, well, you can kind of see it with the, what appears to be some spotting in this area here. Oh, that's a cool bathroom. So, like I said, there's 4 bedrooms up. You got a master, sitting room, closet, and then 3 secondary bedrooms. I don't want that on. The light doesn't work. 3 secondary bedrooms up here. The odor's probably coming from the basement. It seems to be the strongest. This is a repeat customer. It is a realtor who sends us a lot of work. So it's a quick, easy referral, if you will. House is already under contract. We're doing the carpets for her as a favor to her/her client. That way they could have the carpets taken care of. Cut through the kitchen here to get to the basement. Basement's also in pretty good shape. There's 4 areas in the basement. There's only one really discolored area, which is over here in the theater room. You can see it right there. It does smell pretty bad down here. But like I said, we're going to treat that. There we go. We're going to treat that with odor treatment. You can see these discolorations here, across here, there's a spot over there. But the rest of the carpet's in, this is what we call camouflage carpet. Because nothing, you can obviously see this spillage here. Whatever was around that couch, could be urine, could be spilled coffee, wine, it depends on the homeowners, how they entertain. So if we got some urine right there, behind that little sectional. So we got this room here, the theater room, and a little hallway here, and then an exercise/bedroom. So it is, like I said, it's 12:30. There won't be much to see on the after video, but we'll shoot it anyway. Obviously, there should be a big difference in that theater. I'm sorry, is that a theater room? I guess it is a theater. I guess this is the theater room. There's some spots there too. I guess that's the theater room. This is, I guess, just the TV/entertainment room across from the bar. And I'm gonna see if we can get some more light in here from the hallway. That'll help. There we go. There we go. Now we got some more light, so you can see the only discolorations in the area right there. And of course, we saw some in the other room too. So I'm sure they'll be happy when we get done. So, like I said, it's 2:30. We'll get on it. We'll shoot you an actual video when we're done. So stay tuned. All right, guys, it's 4 o'clock. We just finished up this $400 job. As you can see from these shots right here, all the troublesome spots in this little TV room in the basement came up. There's not really anything else to see anywhere else. Well, there was this room over here that had the urine behind that sectional and along this little road right here. That all came out. Smells great. There are no other, nothing else to see really, so I'm not going to extend the video any longer, just to show you all the carpet that's looks the same, and of course you can't smell. So that does it for today. We had us a $400 job. We had us a $330 job, so we had a pretty good day. Like I said, it's 4 o'clock. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com. We can put you in the carpet cleaning business for our customers. You guys know there's no upsells, no per spot fees, no charge for odor treatment if it's needed. So we take care of you because we know that you will take care of us. So Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thanks for watching. Take care and be kind to one another.